Welcome back, dear students. Today we shall do some exercises from geometry on triangle. Exercise 1. In the adjoining figure, two sides AB, AC and altitude AM of triangle ABC are respectively equal to two sides PQ, PR and altitude PN of triangle PQR. Prove that triangle ABC is identically equal to triangle PQR. Solution. In triangle ABN and triangle PQN, angle AMB is equal to angle PNQ is equal to 90 degree. Given AB is equal to PQ, given, and AM is equal to PN, given. By right angle hypotenuse side rule of congruency, triangle ABM is identically equal to triangle PQN. Therefore, BM is equal to QN. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Again, in triangle AMC and triangle PNR, angle AMC is equal to angle PNR is equal to 90 degree. Given AC is equal to PR, given, and AM is equal to PN, given. Therefore, by right angle hypotenuse side rule of congruency, triangle AMC is identically equal to triangle PNR. That implies MC is equal to NR. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Adding 1 and 2. BM plus MC is equal to QN plus NR implies BM plus MC is equal to BC is equal to QN plus NR is equal to QR. Now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB is equal to PQ given. AC is equal to PR given, and BC is equal to QR proved above. By side rule of congruency, triangle ABC is identically equal to triangle PQR. Proved. Exercise 2. In triangle ABC given below, BD bisects angle B and is perpendicular to AC. If the lengths of the sides of the triangles are expressed in terms of x and y as shown, find the values of x and y. Solution. In triangle BAD and triangle BCD, angle ABD is equal to angle DBC given. angle ADB is equal to angle BDC is equal to 90 degree given, and BD is equal to BD common by angle side angle rule of congruency. Triangle BAD is identically equal to triangle BCD. Therefore, AB of triangle BAD is equal to BC of triangle BCD, corresponding parts of congruent triangles, and AD of triangle BAD is equal to CD of triangle BCD, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Since AB is equal to BC, here AB is equal to 2x is equal to BC is equal to 3y plus 8. This is equation 1. Since AD is equal to CD implies x is equal to 2y. Putting the value of x from 2 to 1. 2 into 2y is equal to 3y plus 8 implies 4y minus 3y is equal to 8 implies y is equal to 8. Therefore, from 2, x is equal to 2 into 8, 16. Therefore, x is equal to 16 and y is equal to 8. Answer. Thank you very much for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and to get the latest updates, press the bell icon. Thank you.